Sir, what are you bothering me about? Come on, Faye. Come help me plant these seeds. Come on. Since you want to do all this talking, you just be talking and talking and talking. You don't never be quiet. Where you going? We ain't planting over there. We ain't planting nothing at the neighbor's house. Negro, you ain't worth 2 nickels. What's up, y'all? Y'all bear with me. My clothes is falling off. I have elected to wear some. Wait a minute. Okay, you gonna help me? You may actually help me. Your brother ain't worth a nickel though. Real talk. I guess ain't now one of you gonna help me. Y'all gonna stand over there and bromance. Okay. Y'all touch and agree. All right, now. What? Oh, Lord. Felix, you started it with the run. Uh-oh. Get him. Get him, Garfield. Show him. Get him. Cat Wars. Oh. Felix, that was a little aggressive. Just a little. You didn't have to be so aggressive. All right, y'all. So, as I tiptoe over here, Lord, the 50-degree nights got my... It has to be a little, what you call that? What you call that over there? My mind has slipped me. This is why I don't do stuff in the evening. It'll come to me. Microclimate. Good Lord. Over there where that other turmeric is, because it has not shrunk down, not even in the slightest. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this here up and use this in fertilizer. That's some amaranth that I'm pulling up, and I'm gonna just rake back. This don't make no sense. How these tree roots, they just playing me. I don't know how good anything is gonna grow over here. The longevity spinach is fine. I guess maybe I just need to break off cutters and plant more of it. Look how I'm pulling. That is just a network of roots. Okay. What, baby? You hollering like somebody abusing you? Okay, y'all. So, let me get this somewhat level. Because all this don't need to be planted that deep. I really was just trying to kind of loosen some of this up. And then I'm going to plant half the bed. And then come back and plant the other side. If my little homie will get the beep out the way. Not gonna count. Not gonna stress. Yeah, buddy. Get out of the way. That's the best thing you can do for me right now. Is get out of the way. Alright, let's do the same thing over here. We just gonna uncover half this bed because you don't need a ton of stuff to cover these peas with, but I am gonna brick this soil up because, and this is what I fight with back here. I didn't put down any weed barrier, anything to keep these roots out of here. So I'm constantly, anytime I replant back here, having to break this stuff up. And I'm gonna leave those peanuts for now. Alright. That's fluffed. stress, no mess. But I dropped one. I'm wasting a damn seed. I don't need nothing to be planted out there. Won't lie to you, planting these kind of thick. Don't know about the germination rate on these, because I had some that didn't dry out all the way, and they weren't looking the greatest. So I'm gonna put my cage back because that's where it goes. Put you in there. Put you in there. Lift this cage out the way. Garfield, you promised me. You promised me that you would help. You are not doing anything. It's just standing around. What is this? It's got thorns. It do, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that. I'm probably gonna have to clip that. Okay, so let's rake back. A lot of this is leaves. That's a little bit of peanut there. Yep. Roots got in this too. Some of them, they get in more than others. So I never know until I start digging and uncovering. Garfield, you tell me, how is ambush in my hand going to, how is that supposed to help? Huh? Tell me how is ambush in my hand supposed to help? I assure you that it's not. Oh, I'm dropping some. Where did it go, Garfield? You touching me. What have I told you about touching me? What have I told you about that? Crazy self. Y'all don't mind Garfield. He always on something. Okay, rake all this out the way. Loosen. Do you have any? This is some elephant garlic that I planted. It hasn't grown any roots yet, but it hasn't rotted either. That's not the only one I planted. I planted several back here. They will come up when they're ready, I suppose. So I'm just going to scatter them because, like I said, I have no clue about the germination rate on those. Sorry, y'all. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I'm going to let the rain that in. You are so spoiled. I mean, you are just beyond spoiled. I have ruined this cat. Just ruined them. Let me see. I don't think I have anything else going on. Something look like it's missing over there, but I don't know what it is. Let me check my black turmeric and see, has it come up. Like I said, I doubt if it do come up, I doubt if it does much. Look like I stirred this up and just made a bunch of weeds germinate. I don't know how that works, but whatever. But yeah, I'm so ignorant. I'm just as ignorant as they come. All of these in the pods I didn't plant. I'm gonna find somewhere to plant them, y'all. I'm gonna set them down right there for now. And I'm gonna shell them and plant them. You guarding my little stuff for me? Making sure I don't leave it? You are. So sweet. Tell the people you're going to go get neutered in 2 weeks. Say, yeah, you're going to be missing your little balls. You're going to be missing your balls. Anyhow. Wait a minute, attacking my feet. Is that because I said you're going to be missing your balls? I swear these cats know English. Y'all back fighting? Play fighting? Whatever y'all want to call it. So y'all, I still got stuff to do out here. I got to get that guamachi over into the greenhouse. Or I've got to get some pop-up greenhouses to put over them so that they're protected out here. I've got a few things to do. I've got to finish moving those tires to the greenhouse. I got some volunteers that sprung up. How you back over here so fast? Volunteer tomato and a ground cherry. I'm going to try to see if I can grow those through the winter in the greenhouse. We're going to see. I also have some weatherization things to go to the greenhouse because I'm going to put some weight at the bottom so that I can seal it real good so there's not a lot of draft and air coming in from the bottom because I got to try to keep it warm. But yeah, that's what I got going on. Oh, my neighbor's over there doing something. Every day she come home, she be doing something. But, yeah, Cindy. Anyway, till next time, me and the boys, tell them bye. Tell the people bye. Tell them bye. Say it again. They heard you, but I'm say it again. Garfield. Say bye. Say babe foot. You ain't gonna tell them bye. You rather attack me. All right. Till next time. See you guys later.